There you go, you learned how to trade crypto and NFTs on Bybit. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step by step on how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and NFTs on Bybit. Bybit is one of the biggest exchange platforms that is known for the many crypto trading possibilities such as leverage trading, staking, but now they also have this new marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs on their platform. So I think it's interesting to dive a little bit deeper into what Bybit has to offer. Alright, let's start. First, we need to learn how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies before we jump over to trading NFTs on Bybit. Don't worry, it can seem overwhelming at first, but I will guide you every step along the way. First of all, you simply need to create your account on Bybit's website before you start trading. So step 1, go to the link in the description to sign in. The link below will automatically bring you to the sign up page, and using my link will also give you extra benefits such as school bonuses. It's an affiliate link, so I do get a small kickback at no extra cost for you. Almost every country has access to Bybit except Americans and a few other countries such as North Korea. Step 2. Fill in your personal details and create your account. Verify your account with your email or mobile phone, and once you're all set up, we are ready to go to step 3. Buy or deposit crypto to your Bybit account. To deposit fiat money directly to Bybit, fiat money means your local currency such as dollars or euros, simply go to buy crypto here on top, click express and write down the amount you want to deposit. Select one of the options between Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT, which stands for US dollars Tether. This is a stable coin, so most people deposit to Tether first. If you wish to buy another coin, simply use USDT now, and later on you can trade USDT to the crypto coin you want. I'll show you how in a minute. Select your desired payment channel, read and accept the disclaimer and hit continue. If it's your first time, it's very likely that you need to fill in some forms, verify your ID before you can trade. It usually takes a few minutes and then you're ready to go. Great, your crypto is now available. To check your balance, go to assets on the top right corner, click the spot account and it will show up here. If you already have some funds on another crypto exchange platform that you wish to deposit directly into Bybit, just type in the asset you wish to transfer here on search. For example, BTC for Bitcoin. On the right, you will have a few options. Click on deposit to get your deposit address where you can send your Bitcoin to Bybit. Click acknowledge to see your deposit wallet address. On the other crypto exchange platform, you will need to click on an option saying something like send crypto or withdraw. Once you find this, you will need to go back to Bybit, copy this deposit address from Bybit and paste it on the other website. And then you confirm to send your funds from your previous exchange to Bybit. You can always transfer your crypto between your spot and derivatives account. A spot account is usually used with traders that buy or sell crypto for the long term without touching their coins too often, or when people want to transfer their coins easily between a ledger and the crypto exchange. If you want to know how to secure your crypto and NFTs with a ledger to avoid losing everything with cyber attacks, feel free to watch my tutorial after this video over here. You will find it in the link in the description as well. The second one, the derivatives account, is when you want to trade with leverage. This is frequently used by day traders. Leverage trading means that you can increase your position 10 times or 100 times from your original funds. Let's say you have $1,000 and if you trade with 10x leverage, this means you trade with a $10,000 position. Now, this is more used by advanced and professional traders because there is much more risk involved. You make money faster, but you can also lose your money much quicker. To transfer between both accounts, you simply click on transfer and select from spot to derivatives account. There are no fees or costs for sending funds between those two internal wallets. But as this video is dedicated for beginners, let's keep it on the spot account for now. If you have some US Tether in your wallet and you wish to buy Bitcoin, for example, you can go on top to trade, spot trading, BTC/USDT. You immediately see the Bitcoin candlestick graph. Or to make it easier, you can get here immediately from your spot account if you click on trade on the right side and select BTC USDT. As you can see, this will bring you to the same page. On the right side, you see the buy and sell option. Click on market if you want to buy your Bitcoin at the current market price. You can slide how much of your USDT you wish to place. 100% will put all your money in Bitcoin. When you place an order, you can find it here on the bottom. You can switch between current orders, past orders, and trade history. A market order will be instant, so you will have your Bitcoin in just a few seconds. When you are ready to sell, sell, go back on the right side and click on sell. Go to market if you want to sell on the spot, select 100% again and hit sell Bitcoin. You can also play around with limits and conditional. This gives you the option to select your predefined order prices, so you can place a sell order, let's say, at a $60,000 Bitcoin, for example. And with this price target, the order will automatically be executed and your Bitcoin is sold. Again, these placed orders will be visible down here. Great, now you know how to buy and sell your coins. Now, on the Bybit website, you can see that there is this new feature, the NFT Marketplace, which is very exciting. If we have a quick look, you can see that the Bybit NFT page doesn't seem too overwhelming, which is a good thing. On the homepage, we have examples of some available NFTs, some information in the About Us section where they mention 0 transaction fees. Well, you will see that there is a very small gas fee when you're trading NFTs, but it's very small, and you have a direct contact email address to contact the team if needed. Okay, if we click on Explore, it takes us immediately to the marketplace. Again, very easy to navigate. If you only want to see NFTs, you click over here, and only mystery boxes over there. Those mystery boxes are NFTs that are not revealed yet. So once you buy a mystery box, you can either decide to open it and discover what kind of NFT is behind this mystery box, or you can simply list it as it is without opening. Underneath, you can select the NFTs that are available with Ethereum, USDT, which is Tether, and finally the BIT token from BitDAO. If you want more information about this BIT token, you can check on bitdao.io and read everything about it on their website. Let's go back to the NFT marketplace to see how we can buy and sell an NFT. On the right, you can click filter from price low to high, because we're going to buy the cheapest one. Here we have the cheapest NFTs on top. Let's have a look. All right, let's say we want to buy this particular NFT. You can start off by clicking on the NFT itself to get more information. We can see here on top that this NFT comes from a mystery box. On the left, you also have the contract address, token ID, and blockchain Ethereum. We see the current owner over here and also the creator of the NFT. But more importantly, we can also see the history over here. If you're ready, click on buy and confirm. It's as easy as that. Now the NFT is in your wallet and you are the proud owner of this NFT. And we didn't pay any high gas fees, which is great. To sell your NFT, just go back to your wallet and click on the NFT you want to list and hit list NFT. Fill in your desired listing price with some profit. Even though I bought it in USDT, you can sell it with Ethereum, USDT, or with the BitDAO token. Pick an ending date. The longest is a month, I think. There is a very small gas fee, but it's very cheap. And here you go. Let's hope that someone buys our NFT for this price. We can see over here that our NFT is on sale. I actually recorded me buying this NFT and putting it on sale a few days ago, and I actually already sold this NFT. I have a little profit of a bit more than $10. It's always nice to see that we can make money with trading and flipping NFTs. Congratulations! Now you can buy and sell NFTs and crypto on Bybit. Don't forget that Bybit also offers a lot more functionalities, such as staking your cryptocurrencies to earn rewards, leverage trading, DeFi mining, and so on. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Use the links down below to get additional bonuses on Bybit when you first start trading, and click here to watch another video where you can see how to protect your crypto and NFTs against cyber attacks or hackers. I'll see you there in the next video. Bye guys!